Hi, this is Richard Jones, the Welsh Lock Picker, and what I've got for you today is hopefully an out of the packet pick of what I assume to be a lock sent by, don't know if anyone can pick up this QR code, but it is by this guy, 2M Security Locksmiths, also known as Lucky Pick on the forums. Now, if you can hear that in the background, for some reason we've had Apache gunships flying over Llanberis for the past week. Pretty cool to see, but they do disturb things like this. So yeah, thank you very much, my friend. This comes from a fellow Welshman, so even more special. So let's get this open and see what's inside. So got one of his stickers, again, his QR code, a bottle opener, so if you are stuck, call this number, and we've got a lock. I'll just put this away, so I've got a habit of cutting myself. We've got a cute little lock, again branded, so 2M Security Locksmiths. Bitting doesn't look too bad, and neither does the key weight, so let's have a go and see what it takes to get this open. Let's take the keys off. They do get my nerves when they jangle. Give it a quick go. Yeah, works fine. Right then. Yep. Helicopter's coming over again. So I'm going to use this tensioner from the Reaper set, and bitting doesn't look too bad, so we'll use a fairly shallow hook. Let's see how we get on. Not quite getting this pick to fit. I'm not a fan of bottom of the keyway tension. I think probably too small for it to grip in there. There we go. If you do want to see someone pick these locks properly, have a look at my mate's Nick Picks channel. He does it justice rather than just faffing about like I'm doing here. And this is why you don't see any out of the packet videos by me. You always get absolutely humbled by them. If you guys want to put the kettle on or something, I'll be done by the time your tea is ready. And there we go, finally. What an absolute shit show of a pick from myself there. So we have tried single pin picking. Let's just see if I can use the McTickler, see if that does it any quicker. So it has become one of my favourite pick profiles. Nope, well that just shows how my picking's going at the moment. But a massive thank you for this in the post. So to 2M Security Locksmith, lucky pick, thank you very much, diolch yn fawr.